Welcome to Puddy Rock.
Roshan has fallen in love with the drums. Hey Puddy Rockers, today we're gonna learn to play the drums with Roshan, the octopus drummer.
Roshan, Roshan, Roshani Shan. The drums, he loves the drums.
Now you have to follow me. Stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap.
Roshan, Roshan, Roshani Shan. The drums, he loves the drums.
Now Puddy Rockers, we're gonna change it up. Stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap.
Roshan, Roshan, Roshani Shan. The drums, he loves the drums.
Now Puddy Rockers, we're gonna go faster. In 3, 2, 1. Stomp, clap, 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 stomp, clap.
Roshan, Roshan, Roshani Shan. The drums, he loves the drums.
Now Puddy Rockers, we're gonna exercise. I need you to run. Time to rest, Puddy Rockers. Put your hands up and touch the sky.
Roshan, Roshan, Roshani Shan. The drums, he loves the drums.
Now, Puddy Rockers, we're gonna do all the moves. Stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, run!
Roshan,